can see.
Oh, look at the roots. Yeah.
You can just, there's nothing in this vase, it's just water.
But
$6
now,
for one tomato plant. Now I have multiple here. The nurseries don't want you to do this, but a lot of people just trim and throw them away. I have space, so I wanted more tomatoes.
my wife is going to show how she takes cuttings from
Tomatoes.
the tomatoes. And you called it, what did you call it, a sucker?
The suckers, the tomato suckers. Yeah, I found a sucker here.
Okay, hold
This
on.
tomato is Big Boy.
Big boy?
Yeah, it's called Big Boy. So what I do is I find a sucker like this.
Okay, and why that one?
Because the rest are kind of, like this one is already has a fruit.
Okay. So make sure there's no fruit on it.
Yeah, no flower.
No flower.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this off. And also, you know, that if the tomato leaves too crowded, it gets a little moldy and stuff. So you need air circulation at the bottom. So
Pluck them off.
So as every morning I come and look at them, and then I see some yellow, I take them off. I just come with a snipper and I take a sucker like this.
Let's see that. Let's
And
get a
then-
close-up of that sucker. That's it. It's basically just a branch with
Yeah.
no fruit.
You can throw it away, but I don't want to throw them away because I want to propagate more of this.
Right.
I've already done a few of those, like this one. These are I'll show you what I've done.
These are the ones you like.
These
right?
are the chocolate sprinkle. It's so tasty. I had it at a friend's house last year and I really loved them, so I bought the actual small plant from
Right.
Home Depot.
And so $6 is quite a bit for a plant, but
Yeah, it was very small when I bought it.
Right, but now-
$6 for one tomato plant. Now I have multiple here.
You
See
have
this
one,
one,
there's two
one,
there.
two, all from planting the sucker. And
right. So now you have 3.
and these are already survive. In fact, this has a flower, but I'm going to take it off because I want the plant to be bigger.
Right. You don't want it to start.
Yeah, so I'm going to
fruiting yet,
pinch
right?
off the flower. So that's.
So when they're small like that, you want them to focus on growth.
Yeah.
So if you see flowers or something, you want to
Yeah, and then if I see some leaves that are this kind of like a mole a little bit, I just take them off.
take them off.
And you want some air circulation at the bottom.
Yeah, because there's a lot. If we zoom out,
Yeah.
it's pretty crowded.
See, this is going to be ready in a week or so. This is one of the best. I like it so much. It's so tasty.
And here's a good tip, actually. You see this right here?
Old branch.
This is just
apple tree.
a branch from our apple tree when we pruned it. And my wife just sticks it in the ground.
Yeah.
And then that becomes her support, just
For my
like the
tomato.
bamboo.
So this one, I still have spot here because I used to have borage plant.
Right.
I pull it out so I can plant this. So I'm going to plant. I'm just going to stick it in the ground. Like
Yeah,
this.
that's it, right?
That's
all you have
it.
to do.
Then make sure you water them, not too dry. And then, like these are a few weeks old and they're already
They
thriving.
look good.
This one is the sun sugar. This is a parent. This one seems to have a lot. I need to find one that I can transplant or just clear out this a little bit. See
Yeah,
how it's a
pretty
little crowded?
thick, right?
Yeah. So this is the propagation from the sucker here. It's doing well. A lot of people just trim and throw them away. I have space, so I wanted more tomatoes. I just
Right.
bought one of each. So like
Yeah.
I bought one of each. Now I just propagate it myself. The nurseries don't want you to do this, but I just do. I want more plants. I pay for 1 or 2 tomatoes that I want, heirloom tomatoes. This one, I also tried this. This is a Marzano. This is called a San Marzano. Look at this. And there's a sucker that I planted there. That's probably
Which
like
one?
a
Oh,
week.
that tall one?
This one right here.
Oh.
It's alive. I know it's alive. So
Yeah, let me go to the other side.
because I only have one plant. I only bought one plant,
Right.
but that's how I
Oh,
spread
yeah.
my tomatoes.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Oh, no, not this. This is a zinnia, probably, right?
No, that's. Yes, you're right. Now you recognize zinnia.
Now I
But
recognize
this is
it.
a San Marzano sucker.
This one, yeah.
And
So
then,
this one's new.
yeah,
You can see it hasn't.
that's from there. So that's how I propagate. And then there's more behind you.
What is this one?
That's pepper.
Oh, pepper. Yeah, it looks like pepper.
This is also from a
Propagation.
propagation. I just stick them in the ground. In fact, I was looking for this. I can do some more.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. There's no fruit on there, right?
Yeah. In fact, I should do some of that. And see how these tomatoes. I'm not sure what this tomato is. I got it from a neighbor. I think I'll cut this off and stick it somewhere here.
Right.
So let me do that. Let me get the snip.
I see. There's another branch
Yeah.
from our apple tree there.
I
A
saved
couple
them.
of them. See, you just reuse stuff, right? As long as it holds up, it's fine. We did a lot of pruning of our fruit trees this year, so.
And I saved those sticks just for this purpose.
Yeah, the ones that are fairly straight. Look at it, this one's perfect. It's so big, right?
Yeah, it's tall.
And
so
look at the beans are all the way up.
I already plugged the beans today.
They're all the way up, so this thing's working really well.
So this is what I did it like 5 days ago. You see, you can see.
Oh, look at the roots. Yeah.
You can just, there's nothing in this vase. It's just water. So after 5 days, this is what I see. So now, this is the sun sugar, cherry. It's a cherry tomato.
Not the chocolate one you're looking
Yeah.
at. Right?
I have a chocolate, a few of them already.
Yeah.
So, but I see some sucker here. So
Which ones are good for pizza, you think?
oh, pizza it will
We
be
need sweet
the
ones.
big boy.
Oh, really?
The big boy, send Marzano maybe. I am just gonna see the cherry tomatoes that I propagated. What I'm gonna do is I should plant this, and then I will take out the sucker here. There's 2 of them. There's quite a lot here. So I went and got my snip. So maybe I should take this out.
Yeah, you're cutting it pretty
It looks
close.
so fat, huh?
Yeah,
Maybe I'll take the one here.
smaller one.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't know what variety of tomato this is. It's from a neighbor. I think she said it's black cream or something, but I don't see any purple. It's supposed to be purple.
Well, we'll figure it out, right?
So let me just stick it here in the ground, this one. Tomatoes are easy and it's good in salad and stuff. I know I like to plant them very close, unlike Dan. I just plant my planting is plant everything together.
I'm still a newbie, so I try and follow the rules.
I do whatever I want and they all seem to be okay.
They do fine. You just have to trim them out. I mean, thin them out sometimes, right?
Right.
Where are you gonna plant those?
That's I'm trying to find a space for it.
Yeah, I think you should pull the cilantro out. Give room.
Yeah, because we have so many cilantro. See, these are all cilantro behind too.
Oh yeah, look at all those.
I'm gonna pull this out.
Flowers.
I agree with you because we have so many.
Yeah, they just come right out, right? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at those
Tiny roots. I mean, if I keep it longer, it will
Yeah, but
have more roots. Should I wait more or?
no.
But anyway, this is.
I would do it.
Since I'm already in the garden, I just take one and just stick it in the ground.
Right.
It's easier for me to do that, but I'm showing you this also how you do it, just like how I did pepino melon.
So check out our pepino melon video. Those things are really good.
You can propagate this way.
We'll come back in a week or two and
Yep, that's it. This is how you can multiply
yeah.
one single tomatoes into several. So if you have a variety that you like, instead of buying seeds or instead of buying lots of plants, you can propagate it. In fact, this is an heirloom tomato from last year. I saved it because I didn't, instead of pulling it out, it's still coming back. It came back.
Yeah,
Some of them come back if you don't pull it out.
just leave them.
Yeah. So cherry tomatoes, heirloom, big boy. There's one heirloom, and I have a bunch of tomatoes in the other bed too. That
Right.
I don't know. Maybe I'll show you when we harvest them.
All right, what do you say, honey? Wrap it up?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help us. Thanks for watching.
Helps us keep giving you these
Tips, garden
tips and tricks
Yeah.
and show
Yeah.
you how to look at
How to save money.
Look at the whole garden, right? It's like packed.
Yours is organized. Mine is chaos.
I think once I get better, I'll be less organized. Okay,
Bye.
see you next time.